do the Nicki Minaj salt and vinegar truffle. So if y'all didn't see the haul, y'all can definitely go see the haul and see exactly what bags we trying.
Yes.
So first,
we gonna do different. Then we gonna do different.
we all love salt and vinegar chips. But these are salt and vinegar too. But it's got barbecue flavor. Oh, it smells good. Okay, y'all. The last camera literally went dead. I don't know where it stopped at. But we rated these three.
I have one.
We gave that one a 10. We gave this one a 9.
Now we gonna eat this.
And we gave this one a 5.
Now we gonna eat
We tried these. Remember y'all tried another these? So let's try popcorn. Meatloaf have white cheddar with a dab of ranch.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Ready for
It's good. That's good. This is good, Mom. It could taste like the other popcorn when you make. It tastes the same, but it's good.
that dab of ranch is giving, and I'm not a big fan of ranch on my chips.
Oh my god.
The white cheddar is real good.
I don't want to. This is so good. I never tasted it. This is so good. 10.
10.
10.
10. That's good.
Everybody up 10. 10.
Okay, Rap Snacks, I'm not gonna lie. I would eat all of these again. Everything we tried,
So, Mom,
I would buy. Yay. Oh, ooh, let's try these. Money bag, yo, dill pickle jalapeno. Come on, y'all, sit down.
Oh my god. It's so good.
Taste it, little.
Nice.
She don't like pickle.
Oh my god.
Oh, yo, it's giving pickle jalapeno.
It's good. Maybe we get all these then we're gonna eat it.
I wish the jalapeno was a little bit stronger.
And this time we'll eat this one.
Okay.
Ew.
Y'all know those kettle cooked chips at Subway? It could give like that,
My dad.
but it's good.
Mama, this is Mama, what's this? I get to do this one.
We're gonna try masterpiece and
I'm
I'm gonna
gonna
try
do
rip
A4.
roast for the chips.
Oh
Oh,
my god.
will we rate these popcorn? Oh, you said 10.
Yeah.
Will we rate these? The dill pickle jalapeno. I give it a 8 because the jalapeno wasn't strong.
I get it
Okay, so this is rose cheddar. Y'all, it's pink. Why is it pink? Look at this. Let me see, can they see that? It is literally like a pink. Y'all can't, it's not even showing up on the camera. But y'all just trust me when I say the chip is freaking pink.
Yeah.
I never saw a pink chip. Wait, y'all, go sit down. Go sit down. We still got all this to try. I don't want y'all to be sick. Let me move some of the ones that we opened
Yeah.
to the
You
side.
can move that popcorn by the wheel.
I'm gonna move it over here.
Why? Why is it so pink? Why is it pink?
I'm trying to understand why they pink too because it's rose pink. I know. Oh, I did. Oh, that's why you got a pink shirt on. This is pink.
This is just
Rose
so
chip
pink.
is pink. I never saw a pink chip.
So this one is this pink.
Y'all come sit down.
I tried to pink. The boo.
He got pink chip.
That goo.
You know rose is pink. Remember I tried it at not the gas station, at the wine store?
It's pink.
All the chips good. Them is rolling.
It is pink.
I'm gonna give it an 8.
I didn't get it extra.
Because it says cheddar. It's a cheddar flavor, but it's pink. So I'm gonna actually give it a 10 for them going on out there with it.
I don't get it
See
extra.
these right here?
And the babies.
The little babies, say these was rolling, but she wasn't lying.
Yes.
Good.
Yeah, now
It's
you're doing this
salty.
one.
Put in salt and vinegar.
Oh, now we're gonna do this. Sabu, take some of the popcorn.
The popcorn good.
Oh!
Everything good.
Yeah. I didn't do it. Sabu, eat this popcorn. Eat it.
It's a good thing. And the baby got another one like that.
Mama.
I ain't
Let's
seen
pass me one.
everything.
Sabu, here we go. Eat this popcorn.
Here you go, eat this
I
popcorn.
gotta check on my dog money bag. I gotta see what he does.
They'll pick on jalapeno. They decent. It could be more jalapeno. Other than that, they good. We're going to Masterpiece barbecuing with my honey.
Here. Eat this popcorn.
This is the cheese puff. Oh, look, Shamari. Look at your face. Come sit down so everybody can see your reaction, Mooney. What you doing?
See what they.
Over here sniping. Come on, come sit down. Y'all get back. Sit how it's supposed to be. We recording.
And then I love like honey.
Barbecue and honey.
Definitely got that barbecue.
But the puff is like always giving them Elmer's. If you're from New Orleans, y'all know the Elmer's barbecue. Watch my computer behind me. That's what it's giving. But this a good puff. Like everybody can make a puff. They did that.
I'm ready.
You do? You can take them.
But
Let's try the other little baby. This is a little baby, regular salt and vinegar. Ooh, you got a big, all these chips big. All of them big, y'all. Salt and vinegar, onion, garlic, and barbecue. No, it was hot though. It tastes better than the regular salt and vinegar. It tastes better than these. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna hold you. And they thicker. They thicker and they bigger. You can actually get some chews. You know, other chips you chew it and that's it, it's gone, dissolve. But see this chip here, you punch it off of one chip. Y'all wanna stop right here since we ate so many? We tried 4, 5, 6. We tried 7 bags or 8 bags. Plus this one we tried on the last video. If y'all wanna go back and see the haul, it's open, it's over there, but we had 2.
Sorry, y'all.
Yeah, I think for the sake of the video, we already did the whole show.
This is why it's red because
Come over here, Shamari.
I can't get one of them.
They can't see it. You gotta sit over here so they can see it.
Close. They're gonna see your head.
I taste a little more jalapeno to this. We just about to say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay, y'all.
We don't finish the half later.
Off camera, but this was fun. It was different, interesting. Everything was good that we tried. I already know these gonna be good. We're gonna keep them fresh and sealed since we don't open so many chips because we're not gonna eat it all today. Where y'all
You from the
going?
same people? You from the same people?
Yeah, they got
Oh, no,
3
they
different bags.
Oh.
Migos we got 3 different Migo bags.
Amigo.
Yo, come on, say bye.
Recipes take off.
Bye.
I said recipes take off.
Period.
Bye.
Come on, Shamari, say bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Like, comment, subscribe, y'all. See y'all in the next video.
Bye.
This shit was good, y'all.
Where's my popcorn? Good.
What? Oh, Shamari got it. See, other people like popcorn too. I want some more little baby.
You want one?
What else we got over here? Yeah, see, barbecue. We tried all the barbecuing with, and we tried these. Oh, these puffs. He got puffs too, all right. Sour cream and a sour cream. Okay, that's all we didn't try then. We did the good ones. We did some good picks.